Hi, the most important ingredients that make an amazing video are good visuals, great lighting and sound. And today we are going to be discussing about the most affordable wireless sound solution. I have been in the industry for over 13 years and over the years sound has been very important thing for us. For any shoot where we are taking interviews or recording dialogues for our actors, wireless sound seems to be a very good solution. The best quality solutions available in the market were always very expensive. But now, in today's day and age, reducing costs is the new call. And for this, we have found the perfect wireless solution for you. With the advancement in technology, things are getting cheaper day by day. But cheaper does not always mean bad quality. Sometimes you do get amazing quality in smaller packages. And just for that, we have the LENSGO LWM-318C. This wireless microphone works amazingly with smartphones and your cameras. It actually comes with a transmitter and a receiver. The best bit is the transmitter also carries an inbuilt microphone. So if you do not feel like attaching an additional wireless mic, you can directly use the transmitter to record your audio. It comes with a clip that attaches to the transmitter as well as the receiver via a magnet. So it allows you to take off and put it back on very easily. And the most amazing thing is it comes with inbuilt batteries. So you can charge it for a 3 to 4 hour backup. Overall, the range of this mic is quite decent. It comes to about 50 meters. But if you are in situations where there is a lot of crowd, you could get transmission errors. The compactness of the LENSGO wireless mic allows you to use it in any situation. If you have to record voiceovers in your studio, or record interviews in indoor or outdoor locations, and of course when you're vlogging and traveling, this can be the perfect solution for you. Ask any filmmaker and he would tell you how important is the quality of sound. This compact lavalier mic is actually amazing in sound quality. This is how I sound with it, but without it, this is what my voice would really sound like. So even though this would look like a very compact solution, but it really packs a punch. It is meant for the independent filmmaker of today's day and age, where affordability is our first option. Hence, I would recommend every vlogger, filmmaker, or even a startup photographer to go and pick this up as their wireless sound option.